In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to find the link to your YouTube channel and share it with your friends. So if you're looking for your YouTube channel URL so that you can share it and grow your YouTube channel by getting more subscribers, then you've come to the right place. And if you watch this video all the way to the end, I'm going to share a special bonus tip with you that'll show you how to put links to your channel all over YouTube and get them right in front of your dream customer so that you can get more subscribers and grow your channel just like we have. We've now got over 19,000 subscribers and we've got over 5 million views on YouTube. So we know a thing or two about growing YouTube channels. But let's not waste another second and jump onto the laptop and let me show you how to find the link for your YouTube channel so you can share it with your friends and get more subscribers. So from the YouTube homepage, we want to head up to the top right-hand side and click on your channel icon. Now make sure you logged into the YouTube channel that you want to find the link for. Once you've clicked on your channel icon, you're going to see below your channel name, there's going to be view your channel in blue. We want to click on that. That's going to take us over to our YouTube channel home page. And then in the top, in the address bar, we can select that, and that is the link for your YouTube channel. So we can copy that and then we can share it, and that'll take people straight to our YouTube channel. Now ours is a custom URL, so let me jump into the YouTube studio and show you how you can find your original link as well as create your own custom link for your channel. So click on your channel icon in the top right-hand side, click on YouTube Studio, and then once you're inside of the studio, we're going to head down the left-hand side and go to customization. Now, once you're on channel customization, we're going to be on the profile tab, and I want you to scroll down below the description of your channel, and you'll see here is the original channel URL, the link to your YouTube channel homepage, and you can select it, or you can just click on this copy button on the right hand side. That'll copy the link and you can share that with your friends and get more subscribers. And then your custom URL is going to be right below that link, and you can click on that copy button to share the shortened link. The third way for you to find the link to your channel is go up to your channel handle. This will be right under your channel name, and you can change your channel handle here, and that will update the link below it once you click publish on the top right hand side. So change your channel handle, and then you can copy this link, and let's make sure that that link works by pasting it in a new tab, and that will take us to our YouTube channel, and you can now share that link and get more subscribers. For those of you that have watched the video all the way to the end, I've actually got 2 bonuses for you. So this is really exciting, and these are the 2 ways we managed to grow our YouTube channel. So the first tip is going to show you how to get your channel link in front of your ideal customer all over YouTube, quick and easy, and it's completely free. The second tip is going to grow your channel even faster, but first let me show you how to do the first tip. So all you need to do is go to the YouTube homepage and type into search a search query that your dream customer would be searching on YouTube, and then have a look at the search results and find a channel that you resonate with, that you think your audience could be watching. So we know that a lot of our audience watches Nate's videos, so we can then go into his video. And the secret here is to comment on a video that your viewers are actually watching, but don't just comment randomly. I want you to actually watch the video and create an engaging comment that adds to the conversation, that adds value to the creator and to the viewers watching the video. Make sure it's interesting and engaging, and most of all, make sure it's not spammy, and don't tell people to go to your channel. They will naturally go over and have a look at your channel if they find your comment engaging. So do this on 4 or 5 videos every single day for a couple of days, and this will help you accelerate your growth for your YouTube channel. Now, the reason why this works is every comment that you comment on a YouTube video is a link back to your channel. Let me show you how that works. So anyone that comments, I can then click on their profile and the channel will show up, and I can click on his channel and see what his channel is all about within 5 seconds. I know it's about camping, gardening, and lights. So if I'm interested in that, then I'm going to subscribe. And that's how you can get more subscribers by commenting on videos. Now, this is a great way to get new subscribers, but I've got an even better one for you. Now, for the best tip of them all, I want you to go back inside of your YouTube studio and copy your channel link. I'm going to go into incognito tab just to show you how this works. So I want you to paste your link. Now, what we're going to do is add the magic part onto the end of your link. Don't worry, I'll give it to you. It'll be in the description just below the like button. Then what I want you to do is copy that. It's going to be !sub_, confirmation equals 1, and add that onto the end of your YouTube channel link. And let me show you what happens when we add this magic part to our link. So we're going to click on it. And what this does is it automatically gives this pop-up to confirm channel subscription. So it's just taking it one step further. And now people can so easily subscribe. Rather than scrolling around and looking at your channel, they're going to subscribe first, and then they're going to check out your videos and your playlists. And I can tell you, statistically speaking, 74.56% of people are more likely to subscribe just by having this pop-up. And only 22% of statistics are completely made up. But if you add this special link, I can promise you, you'll get more people to subscribe to your channel and grow your channel faster. If you enjoy these bonus tips about growing your YouTube channel, then you'll love what we've got inside our YouTube Mastermind community. There are other like-minded people just like you who are also high achievers and focused on growing their YouTube channel. So we'd love you to be a part of it. I'll leave you a link down in the description below if you'd like to check it out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Now that we've got your channel link sorted, the next thing we need to make sure is that we're making the right videos that are going to grow your YouTube channel. So make sure you watch the next video here, where we're going to show you how to find the right niche for your YouTube channel.